Today I'm going to teach you how to pay for Amazon Prime Video. This process will help you set up your subscription and unlock access to thousands of movies, shows, and exclusive content. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to activate Prime Video, as this will be the account that gets charged for the subscription. After logging in, move your mouse up to the top right corner of the page and hover over Account and Lists. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, go ahead and select Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon services. Now on this page, click on Prime. This section is specifically dedicated to managing your Prime membership settings and benefits. You'll see all the details about what Prime includes and the different subscription options available. Next, scroll down through the page until you see the different membership plans. You'll have a few choices here, whether monthly, annual, young adults, or Prime Access. Each option is tailored to different needs and budgets. Take a moment to review which one works best for you. Then click Start your free 30-day trial. This trial period lets you explore Prime Video and all other Prime benefits before you're charged. After selecting your trial, you'll need to add a payment method. Amazon will ask you how you'd like to pay for your subscription once the trial ends. For this example, click Add a credit or debit card. This is one of the most common and straightforward payment methods. You'll now see a form where you need to enter your payment details. Start by typing in the name on the card exactly as it appears. Then enter the card number, making sure there are no spaces or errors. After that, fill in the expiration date and the security code, which is usually a 3-digit number found on the back of your card. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy, as incorrect details can prevent your payment from being processed. Once all your card information is entered correctly, click Add your card. This saves your payment method to your Amazon account and links it to your Prime subscription. You might notice the page refreshing briefly as Amazon securely processes and stores your payment details. Finally, click Continue. This completes the setup process and officially activates your Prime Video subscription. Your free trial will begin immediately, and you'll have full access to stream content right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up payment for Amazon Prime Video and started your free trial. You can now enjoy unlimited streaming across all your devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.